Good afternoon, good evening. How's everybody doing? I hope you're doing okay. Dave here, coming up with another afternoon blog or evening blog here out here at the fields in the middle of nowhere. It's pretty much located just west of Lago Vista. As you can see, we have this thing already set up. We're and I made a second confirmation. They are going to be tomatoes. This is going to be a tomato field. It's already set up, irrigation and everything. Over here, we're looking at. Walk over here for a little bit. Over here, we're looking at what's being left over from the onions, the onion field. Walk over here real quick. They pretty much picked up everything. Now, as I said, the onions in this particular area were kind of small. Due to the fact that the severe winter storm of February 14th pretty much did away with a lot of the onions here, even though the onions can last a long time. But it's about as much as it was going to grow. Because the stem, if you can notice, is a tad drier than what it's supposed to be. It's supposed to have a thicker stem, thicker root. But it's pretty much what's left. That's not going to get picked up anymore. It's over towards the end of the field where, as you can see, as we're coming up to this aerial part of the field, you can see that there are onions out here. Pretty small, but they're growing. They were sprayed on with some minerals that will help it grow better, due to the fact that it sustained a lot of frozen temperatures back during February 14th. I'm not sure if you can even see this, but I'm going to try to put the camera a little higher. Maybe even that way. It might be hard, but there's still another 30 acres, 40 acres of onion that still needs to get picked up there. We come over to this side, and there's totally a change of scenery here. We got tomatoes barely coming out. Now, this land here is very healthy, rich in soil and minerals. This plant's gonna grow real quick here. By growing pretty quick, we should have tomatoes ready by the end of June, hopefully. I'm curious because next door is a game reserve, and I thought I saw some deer over yonder over there. You can barely see them. They're pretty far away. but I can see them from here. This camera might not be able to do that because it doesn't have zoom. Well, it does have zoom, but it goes under a different format. But anyways, that's my take for today. Today's Friday, April the 2nd, which is going to be April Fool's month, not day, as I had said yesterday. It'll be April Fool's month. It's also, what is it? What is it that celebrates? Easter also? Easter, and I'm sure that if I were to drive, excuse me, I'm sure that if I were to drive to Corpus Christi, even with this not cold weather but chilly weather, the beaches would probably be swarming with college students by now. Maybe even Port Galveston Beach or even South Padre Island. I think maybe it's become more popular over there has been South Padre Island, I think. I used to live in the valley for many years, but I won't get involved in politics. I'm not here to talk political stuff. Anyways, I'm happy where I'm at, and I love it. And although my team a little bit boring because they're farming videos. They're not. It's not these Arnold Schwarzenegger action movies, stuff like that. No. I'm gonna get back inside the truck. I'm gonna be driving around, and I'll see you all in the next vlog. Hopefully tomorrow. Hopefully the weather will clear up, and it'll look better. So for now, y'all have a great day, and God bless.